The topic of today's video is how to remove linked devices from Gmail. Now, when we say Gmail, what we generally mean is Google. So here I am on Google, Googling this website here, and you can just put that in your search bar. You can Google it. It's up to you. Anyways, once you're here, it'll bring you to your Google account. And what you want to do is click on the top left on your profile. And then you want to click on manage your Google account just under your name. And then on this screen, you want to just scroll down till you see just under the search icon, it'll say my password, and next to it is devices. Click on that. Now you'll see all the devices connected to your Google account, and you can click on the top part of any of them. There's two bars, and then all you have to do is click on sign out of whichever device you want to sign out of. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.